mercury? I think that if you look at the mercury level, it will depend on how much coal is burned close to where the people live and how much fish they consume. The thing that should terrify every woman in the world is the fact that when you consume mercury, there is no outward appearance of what happens until they become pregnant, and the body dumps the mercury and it transforms itself from the mother to the brain of the fetus. It's a wonderful book that was written by Theo Kogner. It was called Our Stolen Future. And they were talking about women that were pregnant living around the Great Lakes. Half of them were eating fish 1 meal a month, and the other half were not. They followed those children for years, and they found that every woman eating fish 1 meal a month while they were pregnant, their child ended up 20 years later still had lower brain development than a child raised in the same area from a mother that was living there but was not consuming fish. Question? Okay. The list of bottled water. The first thing everybody that drinks bottled water should do is read the label. You have no idea how many people in America today are buying bottled water that comes right on the label says from municipal sources. They take a plastic bottle that sheds chemicals into the water, fill it up with city water, and sell it to people thinking it came from a much cleaner source. I believe that the best water in the world is distilled water. My wife and I have a distiller. We distill the water, we store it in a glass container. I'm not a fan of plastic bottles. I'm not a fan of buying bottled water because of the bottled water that's out there, the overwhelming majority of it should not, in my opinion, be drank. So, but you know, if I could get you off of dairy and meat and pork, you know, I would think you would be smart enough at that point to quit the water on your own. I don't support bottled water. No. There's a number of things. I do not like the container that is shedding chemicals into the water. And, you know, I think if you're going to have a bottle of water, it should be a reusable container. It should be something that does not shed in it. And then ask yourself the question, where did the water come from? You know. What? Oh, will the Brita filter help tap water? Absolutely. But it's only as good as the first water you put through it. You know, what happens with most people that have filtered water, they forget to change the filter. Does it help? Absolutely. You know, distilled water, in my opinion, is much better, but filtered water is a whole lot better. Don't drink what comes out of the tap. Cities only have water that is healthy enough for what they can afford. Milwaukee, 108 people died drinking municipal water because their finances in the city, they couldn't keep the water clean enough. And you know, Washington, D.C., I lived there, they came out one day and they said, people that have immune systems at risk should not drink city water. So I called up the city and I said, how do you tell if you have a challenged immune system? They said, oh, it's easy, you die. First time I went to Washington, D.C., I got off of the airplane at National Airport, got in a cab, and I'm driving into the city, and the river is on fire. The fire department is down putting out the fire on the river. And I said to the cab driver, I said, could you stop? I'd like to look at that. And he said, oh, it happens all the time around here. Don't drink municipal water. What are my thoughts about hunting? I think hunting would be a fantastic endeavor if both individuals had the same equipment. If every hunter that really liked to go out and stalk, I wonder where they were when they had the opportunity to volunteer to go to Vietnam. You know, the one over there had the same equipment. I think hunting is, I think that chronic wasting disease is a great thing because they harvest the deer and the deer harvest the hunter. So I am not a fan of hunting.
What about the fact that in Pennsylvania there are no more natural predators anymore, so we have to kill the deer so they don't starve to death?
I think, why do we end up with too many deer?
Because we kill all the natural predators?
Well, maybe it's because too many of them reproduce. Do you think there's an opportunity that we could actually control the number of deer if we really wanted to put our mind to it on something other than killing them?
I don't know, but it would be, it's just, see, my plan for this summer is to grow all my own food and then preserve it.
Good.
And then the next year also kill a deer and then have also do that thing. So
You want to really be careful that the deer you kill doesn't have chronic wasting disease, because if it does, he's going to harvest you.
Also, what kind of supplements do you take as a vegan?
Zero.
Zero?
There's only one thing that I take is vitamin B12, and in the wintertime I take vitamin D. Those are the only things. If we were eating our vegetables as we normally did out of the garden and just brush off the dirt and eat it, all vitamin B12 comes from bacteria. We have become so fastidious and we wash everything off that we are not getting the bacteria to give us vitamin B12. I take vitamin B12 in the winter. I take vitamin D because of where I live in the northern portion of the U.S., the sunshine out there, it's very difficult to get the amount of vitamin D you need.
Do you also eat seasonally? Like, do you eat things in season?
Yeah, I really do.
Okay, so what did you eat today?
What did I eat today? This morning I had an apple. It was grown in Pennsylvania, and I want to tell you that it was not near as good as the apple I had yesterday that was grown in the state of Washington. For lunch, I had a salad that was picked right out of the garden, along with soup that was from all of the vegetables that came from last year. And so we had a large salad and a bowl of soup for lunch. Tonight I was at the Green Bowl, and I hear years ago it used to be Brown Bowl, but they finally got rid of the Brown Bowl and went to Green. Of the meals I had today, the other two were better than this one. Compared to eating at some fast food restaurant, the Green Bowl was a very acceptable place to eat.
I've been a vegetarian for 13 years, but I got one problem. You have to tell me how bad cheese is.
Well, how long do you want to live?